Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and here we should find somewhere the mute mode. Just click here once on the mute mode. Now we can see that our calls, notifications, they will be muted. If you want to turn off the silent mode, we should click here on the mute mode icon once again, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should press the volume up or down button. You will see down here this bell icon. Just to activate silent mode, we should click twice on the bell icon. Now this cross bell means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, you should just click here only once again on the bell icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.